The grammar of ている場合じゃない is mean that there is no time to be doing something. There is no time to be doing something. So how to use the grammar of ている場合じゃない In Japanese, you can use the grammar of ている場合じゃない with the verb only. But when you use with the verb, you should change the verb to be the て form. And after that followed by いる and after that followed by じゃない or ではない You can use both で by じゃない or by ではない It just had the same meaning, such as this is no time to be doing something. So remember that when you use, you can use with the verb only and should change the verb to be the て form. And after that followed by いる So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of ている場合じゃない The next we are going to see some example. The first example 今は笑っている場合ではない今は笑っている場合ではない which means that this is not an occasion for laughter. This is not an occasion for laughter. Let's consider in this example. In this example, they use the verb walau, right? Walau is mean laugh or laughing. But you change to be the te form. You can change walate, right? Walate, and after that followed by iru and followed by de wa nai. Walate iru by de wa nai. In this case, it means that when you do something seriously, but somebody is still laughing at you, or when in the case that it's normal to laugh, but otherwise just laughing, that means you can say "walate by de wa nai," right? Instead of you to help somebody, right? But you just laugh instead. So in the case like this, you can say 今は笑っている場合ではない right? Let's see the next example. 今は悲しんでいる場合ではない。今は悲しんでいる場合ではない。Which means that this is no time to be sad. This is no time to be sad. In this case, we see that in here they use the verb 悲しむ right? 悲しむ Kanashimu is mean they're sad or feeling no good. But when you change to be the te form, you change na kanashinde, and after you follow by iru and followed by de wa nai. So in this case, you can say 今は悲しんでいる場合ではない。Right? So it means that there is no time to be sad, or it's not the case to be sad, something like this. So when you do something and you feel sorry and you feel sad, right? But in that case, you should continue to do, right? For example, you do your business, do something, but you fall down, but you have to get up, right? And fight on. So you should not be sad. So in the case like that, you can say 悲しんでいる場合ではない right? And you can say in both of them, you can say 悲しんでいる場合ではない or you can say 悲しんでいる場合じゃない It just had the same meaning. The next 冗談を言っている場合じゃない冗談を itteru by janai, which means there is no time to be saying jokes. There is no time to be saying jokes. In this sentence, we see that they say itteru, right? So in this word, they say you is mean say. You is mean e and follow by u, right? But you can change the type from ite, something like this. And after this, say followed by iru by janai. So you can say in this sentence like jodan o itteru by janai. There is no time to be saying jokes, right? For example, you do something seriously, or you take in examination, and your friends say something or just say joking with you, right? That is not the case to say joking. You have to say something good to your friends, right? So in the case like you can say jodan o iteru by janai, something like this. Or you can say in this sentence jodan o iteru by dewanai. It just had the same meaning. Example, しっかりして泣いている場合ではない。しっかりして泣いている場合ではない。Which means that hold yourself together. There is not a time to be crying. Hold yourself together. There is not a time to be crying. You can see that in the sentence they say they use with the verb naku. Naku is mean cry. But if you change to be the dead form, you can say naite, right? So in this, they can say naite and followed by iru and then followed by dewa nai. So in this sentence, they can say shikari shite naite iru by dewa nai, which means that hold yourself together is not a time to be crying, right? Shikari shite, which means that you should pay attention, you should focus, you should focus yourself, you should manage the problem, something like this. Which means that it's not a time to be crying, right? So when you have some problem, you got some problem, so you are feeling no good about to fight on or to keep doing something on, right? So in the case that maybe somebody will say shikari shite, which means hold yourself together, or keep focus, something like this. Teirubaai de janai. It's not time to be crying, something like this. You should fight on. You should keep doing something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of Teirubaai janai or Teirubaai de janai. It just had the same meaning. If you don't know how to change the verb to be that, you should learn another video clip how to change the verb to be that.